Hi guys, unlike the previous videos, this one will be a bit complicated. Here I want to automate merging based on VLOOKUP. In the previous videos, as you can see, multiple files were having same column headers, right? Yeah. But here I want to make it a bit complicated. I'll just show you what I mean by that. Let me import the data. So here, as you can see, I'm having different column: job, marital status, education, random, contact, duration, ID, and age. Then in B, you can see education is in different column. ID, Marshall is different, and here I'm having new column unknown, which is only in B, not A. And I'm having random, which is not there in B and C. I'm having ID some overlap columns, and I'm having new, and in D something different. So here, unlike the previous places that you can see, I just kept it for your reference. In column A, in sheet A, I'm having job in A, column A, and in sheet C, I'm having in fourth column. Let me show you in sheet A, job is in A, and in B, job is not there, and for C, it's in F column. F is job, right? And then in D, it's in C column. It's C column. Job is right. You can understand what I want to achieve now, right? There are different fields. First, I need to do is I need to see what is the field name. We look up unique field and then move it to sheet and copy paste relevant lookup values there. So in general, if we do it manually, high degree of concentration will be required and also takes huge amount of time, still highly prone to mistakes. Let us see how much time does it take for automation to work. I'll just click on here. Done in 2 seconds. That's it. Let's cross verify in column A. I'm having job marital status. Marital is there. Job is there. B. I'm having job random in A. I'm having in second unknown. Sheet A unknown is there only in B, right? C. I'll just freeze the row so that you'll have a better view on this. Lone and unknown are there only in B sheet. As you can see, it's appearing only in the B sheet and not in the sheet A data based on lookup value. Everything is here. For marital status, it have been automatically lookup and it added all these columns here from B sheet. As you go to new, it's the last sheet. Everything is updated here. Let me just show you new. New isn't fourth C data. Yes, it's updated. As you can see here, there are random fields at different places with unique. Still, everything is done by the system in less than 2 seconds. Let's see time saving. Time I took for doing it manually is 240 seconds. 240 at an expert level and with complete concentration, but system has done it in less than 2 seconds. It's going to save you nearly 7 hours. 7 hours is a huge time which can be automated. Thank you. I'll move on to next task in my next video.